Alright guys, I picked up the little mini LMT, the Losi. This is the son of the Gravedigger. It's a 28th scale, or I'm sorry, 18th scale. I mean, it seems like it's a 28th. It's really small, but man, is it a fun little car. I love it. I had a great time with it. I didn't hit it too hard, but nothing got scratched up or nothing on it. I mean, you can see I banged it around quite a bit. Anyways, I'm not going to talk to the video until the end, so yeah.
Not 50% on the throttle on this right now. Actually plenty fast. I mean, I'm on 50% throttle. Take it to 75 and see what it does. Oops. Now just take it up to 100 ahead. I think the burnout's good now. It's a cool little truck, you know, it's so little you ain't gonna feel it hardly. Ah, first rollover. Okay, let's do a drive-by full speed. Okay, here we come.
It kind of bounces around a lot, but it gets through the grass, and it's a nice little car, man.
Living in a miniature world.
Alright guys, there she is. 18th scale, son of a Gravedigger, mini LMT. I had a good time driving this thing around. When I first got it, I was kind of discouraged because it's so dinky. I mean, I thought, God, this thing's small, man. And it's going to be hard to film this thing. But once I started driving it, man, what a fun little car to drive. The thing's tough. And it goes plenty fast, believe me. And it cuts through the grass good, everything. It is perfect. I mean, for its size. None of the sway bars popped out. A lot of people say the sway bars popped out. Not yet on mine, but you know, that's just first little run. It didn't get scratched up at all out in the dirt. You know, it worked out really well. The controller's a little bit small for my liking, but it's okay. Manual's good. I don't know. It's got a small battery. It's I believe it's a 810 milliamp hour and a 50C, I believe. But anyways, it's a small battery, and it takes forever to charge. I mean, it ran. I got some good runtime out of it, but it just takes a long time to charge off this charger. And this is like a smart battery and a smart charger, I guess. And it's got the 3-wire. So what I'm thinking is, does this battery store itself? The manual doesn't really say that it does self-storage, so I'm kind of curious on that one. Can't think of anything else to say about this other than the fact that I think if anything breaks on this, I'm not going to upgrade anything on this, not even the motor. I'm just going to keep it bone stock because it's got plenty of power, and why upgrade it? It's not worth it. You'll just end up destroying it. But it's a beautiful truck. I mean, they do have tons of upgrades, and I guess you can upgrade if you want. I'm not saying you're going to destroy it. I'm just saying, you know, you don't need to. You really don't need to. All right, guys. You guys have a good one. Thanks for watching.